I think AI is already disrupting the network. If you look at it, the shape of the traffic is changing. The traffic is becoming more and more bursty. It's multimodal traffic. The whole dynamics of uplink and downlink is changing. But then, what's really coming next to us is physical AI. And physical AI is where you go about and blur the boundary between the digital and the physical world. Think about all the AR, VR glasses, or drones, self-driving cars. That's the world that we are getting into. And what it really does is that, there's no way you can actually go about and rely onto the cloud for every decision making. It now brings in a world where distributed inference has to happen. And when you look at distributed inference, it actually starts from your mobile device all the way up till where your telco workload is running, and then all the way up till the cloud. So this is just coming next. And to your question about how does it disrupt things about like our day-to-day life, news service, today we are used to like watching news in a very static way, reporting news in a very static way. Think about now with AR, VR glasses, I'm just transported to the place where the whole event is happening, and I'm now a participant in it. I think, this just opens up a lot of opportunity for all of us in Europe to come together and make it happen. We can see that this whole 6G stack being built for the US, it's Europe's opportunity also to now come in. Think about all the models that need to be built in, because we are going to a world where networks are going to be AI native networks. And for you to go about and run the networks, you need models that are very fine-tuned to go about and take care of conditions that are unique to a certain geography. At the same point of time, we have the whole concept of AI grid, where distributed inferencing is going to happen. And I think this is where a lot of public-private partnership, working along with all the universities and the research teams that we have, comes into fruition, because with this AI grid, you can now seamlessly blur the boundary between what used to be telco and what is compute. And that's the world that we are getting into.